Okay, just get one letter and show Mommy. Get one letter. Any letter you want. And we'll find it together.
I can't find it.
No, just get one out of here. Pick one.
This one?
That's an L. Let's look around here. Do you see one that looks like this? There it is.
Let me find another one. This one. Ah!
You got Q. Good job. You found it.
It's this way though.
That's N.
Yep. Where go?
It's at the top of the bus. No, that's W. Look at the top of the bus. There it is.
Got it.
Good job.
Let's do this one first.
Do you know what that is?
That's T.
That's R.
Oh, this is R.
That is R.
It's one.
Good job.
So let's do. Is this K?
Let me see. That's F.
Okay. Is this F?
Very good.
C.
That's H.
Oh, I'm sorry. First we K.
That's right. Good job.
Let's do U. Yeah, it's not U.
That's G.
Yes, it's T. But it's not U.
Oh, that's a C.
Okay, what's U? It's it.
There it is.
This is really tiny.
That's I.
Yeah. Is this right?
That's right.
Okay. What's this? This is this one.
What letter is that?
That one is
That's B.
B goes on this.
That's right.
It's not backwards.
It's okay.